Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete an account on Google Authenticator. So this can be helpful if you no longer use a certain account or if you want to clean up old codes inside the app. Just make sure that you do this carefully because removing an account from Google Authenticator may affect how you sign in later. First, open up the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After that, look for the account or code that you want to remove. So depending on your device or app version, you may need to tap and hold the account or swipe left on it so the delete option will appear. So once you see the delete option, tap the trash can icon, then confirm it by tapping remove account, and after that the account will be removed from your Google Authenticator app. And before deleting it, make sure you still have another way to access that account. This could be a backup code, another authenticator app, or a recovery option connected to the account. Also, keep in mind that deleting it from Google Authenticator does not always turn off two-factor authentication on the website or the app itself. And that is how you delete an account on Google Authenticator. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.